Come up a bit. This is the picture I see. Come up a bit. Give him volume, please. Just stay for 1 more minute. The time will come that as we continue to journey, we'll grow in the anointing that they will call you and just say, come and play. Come and play. Just play. You just play. Let me leave with this. Switch to oral.